4461 Paseo El Rio. So you do have the weeds and grass coming through the gravel. That's Harmon, a decent sized street. One thing you might want to address are these, the height of these. I'm 5'10". It's just above my head here, but this is at my forehead level. I would hit my head here. That's a lot of yard to figure out what you're going to do with. I have messaged the agent to find out what type of flooring this is, because we are thinking it might be a luxury vinyl plank. There's no power in this house, by the way. So these are upgraded cabinets, as you can see, beautiful stone counters. The microwave is a space saver, which is already installed, which is great. We do used appliances a lot of the times now, and you can get a pretty great package based on what's currently available, of course, although we use different companies, so you should be able to find something for about $1,500. So compared to not used, it's a good price. As you remember, the padding in here is really nice. It's like walking on a cloud. And it's a beautiful upgraded shower with an upgraded light and fixtures, cabinets, everything. This feels like an interior door, which you pointed out, and it is very narrow. That's not going to work. So I do want you to take a look at the neighbors before you go, just to make sure you're comfortable. Okay. So you have a pet door on the slider, plus security.
We're big enough for a king if I wanted to.
Alright. There's your toilet. And then, of course, there's no electricity.
Yeah, no problem.
Carpet looks great. Of course, you're going to have things like this, dings like that. Granite looks good. There's bars on these frosted windows. Double sink with the stone upgraded. So pretty consistent throughout the property, which is great. I love this shower. Great shower. Change in flooring. I will put tile in here at some point. And of course you have to add a mirror. That toilet looks older. You can get a decent sized price one installed, not for much. And what is this? I think you might want to talk to a handyman about whether you want that caulking around the toilet. Usually we remove it.
Right there. That's right where it is. Oh no.
That's where they cut
Through the wall somewhere here.
Sure, and I would almost ask for money off to do the repairs yourself, so you know it gets done right, rather than having the guy who's trying to work this out do it, because some of this looks like, what? I don't know. Get John to do it.
Yeah.
So are these kind of vents on the lower side of the garage common?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have them in ours.
Does water come in when it does rain and blow?
Not typically, you can get different screens for it, so you get the louvers that so like when the rain comes down, they're the louvers that push it away from the house. That's fine. You can even finish this out, you can insulate it.
I probably would at least, do something with drywall on it.
Be careful if you guys didn't see that. I'm sure you did. Okay. So this is the opposite side of the wall from the hole. Okay.